What's going on, guys? So today we're going to go over the two grease points on the Stihl HL-94 hedge trimmer. The two gearboxes are on the top. There's also one inside here. Both will have to be greased. We do them about once a year, you know, just because we do a lot of cutbacks in the fall and in the spring. So the first thing you're going to need is your wrench. Unscrew the top. Take your grease. Fill it in. We don't fill it all the way up because I do this, you know, a couple times a year. Screw that back on. And you want to make sure you hit the other point on the top. I believe this is just for the shaft itself, but still needs to be done. And again, like I said, I'm just topping it all off. We do this often, so, well, not, you know, just a couple times a year. So just want to make sure everything's good for the fall. Cutbacks and things like that. About it. There's nothing really on top. If you take off this other nut up here, it'll just get you into some of the bolts that lead to the blades up here and the shaft itself down here. Same on the back end. I believe it all goes down and the gearbox is below here and in the middle. So that's where everything's going to. But all right, guys, it's a quick one, but that's about it. It's that simple.